Alright guys, this is a quick video on my DIY Ford port for my Ford Focus ST. Sorry, I moved my water bottle. Alright, this is a fuel tap from Stratified. Shout out to the guys at Stratified. This is a tap that they have on their line. I think it's $50. Then AN line, 8 feet for $30-something. It's good. Nylon, alcohol, fuels, and E85 rated. Yeah, I kind of nicked it here, tightening it down. But yeah. So these fittings here are they're from the USA. They're not from China. I forgot the name of the seller, but yeah, they're pretty good. CNC machines or whatever. Same on the other end. This is a whole -6 fitting on here and here, because this tap comes without the fitting. It just comes like, you know, with the hole, the port hole, and so you have to buy the fitting. This is -6, you know, male to a -6 right here to the female -6. Then now this is the Radium fuel rail. I got this on eBay. It was in an auction. I think it was like $270 or something. All right. So noticing on their fuel rail, it's kind of like all the other ones. The only thing that sucks about this fuel rail is this port right here. This is for a fuel dampener. So I just bought a plug, -8 plug, because I'm just gonna run a return to system for now. So then I bought a -8 to -6 on a swivel. See, it's a swivel right here. What else? Oh, these EV14 injector clips. Hold on. Alright, so these injector clips are off of an eBay, an American seller from America, not China. These are EV. Let me show you the box right here. There goes the number. I think it's like EV4, something like that, or 14, one of those two. Anyway, but these plug into these Deutschworks, I'm sorry, Deutschwork injectors. Here's the part number. This is off of the Radium site for this specific fuel rail. All right. I think these are 50-pound injectors. Alright, now here's one thing I'm actually going to mention about these injectors. I ordered off of eBay the 14mm O-rings for both, because they sent me a 14 on the top fits, the top hats fit, but then the bottoms are 15, so they don't fit, it's too big. I tried going to Advanced Auto Parts, they don't have them, but I ordered them off of a seller. I forgot the name of them, but I would update it once they arrive. These injector O-rings are rated for E85 alcohol-based fuels, which that's what I plan on running, and these are 50-pound injectors. I think they're 40mm injectors. They literally fit perfectly. Where is it? Oh, you see the hole right there? That's where the injector streams out of. I mean, everything fits super perfect, man. I took the top hats off of the other ones. None of this is torqued down right. I took the top hats off of this. I kind of like threw them on here just to measure and everything, because I was kind of pissed at first, but now that I know that it fits, you know, they fit, they don't wiggle or anything when I tighten them down. They don't wiggle, they don't have no play. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the tops and bottoms for those aftermarket O-rings. We're gonna go ahead and install everything, but I'm not going to wire anything up till I get my split second, and I'm not gonna be able to run any of my Ford port stuff, just because I'm waiting to get a big turbo, so I'm just gonna install it have it all installed and ready to go. Once I install this big turbo, then we'll go from there. And if you guys need, I'm actually gonna make a install on this actual fuel rail and all this other stuff. And yeah, man. I don't know the. You guys can measure. This stuff is not hard to install. Yeah, I kind of nicked it, but what the hell? Doesn't matter, right? So, see, this side too, I kind of nicked it. I gotta tighten it a little bit more, maybe one more turn. But I think it's like maybe what, 3 feet, 3 feet long, or yeah, about 2 feet long, 2.5 feet or so. But I actually added, I left I measured it, like I literally 6 inches over, just in case. So yeah, man, shout out to guys at Stratified. There they go, Stratified Automotives. There you go, man. This thing came in. It was I bought it like on the 22nd or the 20th, and it came today, the 25th. These Works injectors, literally, I bought them on the 20th. They came on the 22nd of this month. So yeah, I'm not gonna run any of these bracket stuff for. Yeah, I'm going full savage, just straight. Just straight, I mean, none of that cover shit or none of that. Yeah, man. There it goes. That's it. There's the money shot. Oh, hold on. How can I forget this? There you go. No, it's not a Stratified, but yes, it's Radium. Radium. Works. These EV whatevers. There you go, man. You got this Stratified, boy. Alright, man. See you guys in the next one. Peace.